Alright, y'all, this is a ZZ plant. It's a house plant where I live, and we're going to go through propagation today. So the way you propagate ZZ plants is through tuberous propagation. Each plant creates a little tuber where the plants shoot out of, and it's going to have roots on there, and then plants are going to grow out of it. Kind of like a potato. So what you need to do is you need to take it, make sure it's fully hydrated, take it out of its pot, and then you're going to divide those tubers. Based off of the size of this, it should have like 3 to 4 tubers that can be divided. Now, with ZZ plants, it is not easy to pull them out of these pots because those tubers like to grow, and when they do grow, they make it super tight in there. Here we go. All right. We're just going to start to break away the soil to find the tubers. There's one tuber right there. Again, like I've always said, don't be afraid to crack it open. We're going to gently pull the roots apart from each other, not to damage them too badly. They're very deeply intertwined. All right, we're going to put that one down while we work on this one. So it's got the main tuber right here, and then it's got a little tuber off here to the side. Now you could just plant this as is because this tuber is a baby tuber growing on the side, but I'm going to pull it off. It has a healthy set of roots and should be able to grow on its own. And we're going to repot this into another pot. Always tamp it down. It helps get some of the soil in between those roots that are being a little bit more annoying. And then you're gonna submerge water this to tamp out the rest of the air that's in them. Now let's get this boy rooted up. So this one's a perfect division. It's got lots of roots, it's got a nice sized tuber, and it has a very small plant on top, so that means that it's not draining too much energy now that it's broken off from the mother plant. So this one should do very well, and it should grow in no time and then need to be divided as well. Alright, here we go. This one is ready to come off. There we go. Again, this one has tubers growing through other tubers, so we're going to softly and slowly pull it off to try to keep as many roots as possible intact. There we go. And if you notice, this tuber has a small tuber growing off to the side. It doesn't have enough roots to support all this growth, so we're going to leave that one alone. But this one's a good sized tuber. And now if you see over here, it's got another tuber with this one growing out of it. You know, it's not ready to be divided because it hasn't broken off the tuber, but they are getting ready to divide again. That's pretty much it. That's the propagation and division process for ZZ plants. And from that one plant, we now have 5 new plants that you could gift to people, grow out for yourself, and or sell on a website, farmer's market, whatever have you. So after you've propagated them and you've put them into different pots, make sure you deeply submerge the pots. This allows the soil to settle. And it fills in the holes. So now if you notice, this entire area is exposed, letting me know that there wasn't enough soil in that area. So now I just come back and backfill to ensure that there is enough soil. This time around, it's all good.